Hey Tina, I'm going to make a quick video because I wanted to make sure. So I wanted to see why I keep missing what you're doing. So I looked through your grades and everything looks good. These M things are Mind Tap. So I'm not seeing those 4 Mind Tap things. And then I don't have anything submitted yet for this. So for this one, I just need your lesson plan. And I can't remember if you're sending those in on Common Curriculum, like giving me a date, or sending me a PDF or a Word doc or something. I think you're probably doing a Word doc because I looked through your Common Curriculum plan book and I didn't see that lesson because I looked through it to see if maybe it was in there. Then I need the link to your Weebly, and I'll go out and review that. Then the last thing there, upload signature assignment to TaskStream. I'm still waiting for, I'm not sure if the TaskStream is set up correctly yet. I have to go out and check them for all 4 classes here in just a little bit, and then I will be, basically I'm going to email you to confirm when it's ready because I've had trouble with TaskStream getting the link ready for us. So the last one I'm not too worried about, and I will confirm on email to let you know it's ready to be uploaded. Okay, that being said, let me show you what, this is my gradebook in Mind Tap. And so I know it says 81% here, but that's only of the ones you've done, which is great, except I don't have scores. So there should be scores like all the way across here on all these things. And some of them it's just a review kind of stuff, and other of them you need to do, point and click through some things. So is there maybe a different account or something that you're working on where you've done these things? You could send me a screenshot and that would be fine. But that's all that I'm missing. So I just wanted you to see kind of what I'm looking at, and maybe we can figure out why I can't see your grades. Okay, cool. You can send me a screencast back like this, or you can tell me when you can meet. I can always meet at like 8 o'clock, pretty much any night. We can jump on a Zoom and look together. I'm also available during the day if day is better for you. And we'll get this sorted. And I appreciate you being on this now instead of next week when I'm trying to wrap everything up. So thank you, and I'll talk more soon.